Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to the channel. And here we can see a reclining Buddha which just sits outside of the main temple, which is Wat Yai Chaimongkhon. It's a Buddhist temple in the historical park of Ayutthaya. If you watch until the end of the video, you will be able to see the wishing well inside of the main temple and a panoramic view of the Ayutthaya complex and the outskirts of Bangkok from the galleries of the Wat Yai Chaimongkhon temple. And here you can see people paying respects to the Buddha. They light candles and lay them down in front of him, and then they do pay their respects. You can also see the five-headed naga there, which is to symbolize and protect the Buddha from harm and danger. The monastery was constructed by King U-Thong in 1357 AD to accommodate the monks that were ordained by Phra Wanratana Mahathera Burean. This monastery was named Wat Pakao. Afterwards, Phra Wanratana of Wat Pakao suggested to King Naresuanthe Great to build a chedi or pagoda. He decided to construct a large chedi in this monastery in 1592 AD. This monastery became known as Wat Yai Chaimongkhon. The temple is made of bricks and was covered in a cement type render called stucca, which the majority has fallen off over the years. There are supposed to be 120 seated Buddhas situated around the outside of this temple, as you can see here, and the majority in Ayutthaya, with very few exceptions, were headless. They had no heads. What happened was looters broke the heads off the Buddhas and sold them to collectors in USA and Europe. These have got heads on now, but they are reproductions. You can usually tell by the colour of them. It's a cement concrete colour, so you can tell that they are reproductions. There are lots of people waiting to have their photograph taken with the Buddha in the background there. There's quite a queue actually. And here you can see more of the seated Buddhas around the perimeter of the temple. And this is one of the two main entrances to the main temple. There's one on this side and there's one around the other side of the temple as well. And don't be fooled, they are quite steep. So if you're not too good on your legs, you'd probably struggle to climb these stairs. And the tiles there, these wouldn't be the original tiles. Those are fairly new, because the original bricks beneath them, they would have been crumbling, which wouldn't have been safe to walk on. And we are just entering the top of the main pagoda now, or chedi, and there are seated Buddhas around the outside of this area, and directly in the middle, you can just see it in front there. There's a wishing well which goes right down to the bottom of the tower, and I'll show you inside there shortly. You may be wondering why the gold sachets on the Buddhas. Well, put simply, gold is the universal symbol for happiness, purity, enlightenment and freedom. Explore any Buddhist temple or sanctuary and you'll see gold. This has been the case for as long as the Buddhist faith has existed. Statues in particular have always been adorned with gold in these cases. Some are either covered in very fine gold leaf or are completely gilded in gold. And here you can see the wishing well I mentioned earlier, and you can see all the coins at the bottom there. And as in any other well in any other country, the tradition is the same. You throw coins in and you make a wish, and it's supposed to bring you good health and good luck. And this is the view from the upper level gallery on the temple, and you have a good panoramic view of the whole complex, the other pagodas there and temples, and you can see high-rise buildings of Bangkok in the background. Thanks for watching until the end. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Watch out for my other videos which will be released very soon. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye for now.